Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can hide likes in the X app or Twitter. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write comments under this video. So let us get started with you. Open up the X app and then, friends, you're going to go to your page. And I'm going to show you where people can see your likes. There's a section here on your page called Likes. And if you go to that, you can see absolutely every post and every post that you've liked. And this is public information, and absolutely all users of the X app will be able to see this information. But if, friends, you want to hide it, then you have to go back to the menu. Here, select Settings and Support. Next, Settings and Privacy. And here, select Privacy. Next, select Add Audience and Marks. And folks, the only thing you're gonna have to do here is activate both of these options. This way, you can easily hide all the likes you put on any posts in the Twitter app. Friends, this is the simple way you can hide your likes in the X app. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, give your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.